Rohingya people must not be forgotten. Yunus seeks global attention, shares three proposals. Chief Advisor has sought international communities' continuous attention to the Rohingya crisis. Otherwise, he warned that it might put the entire region in trouble. Not just Bangladesh. We must pay attention, he said while speaking at a high